Greetings everyone and happy World Bee Day. I'm here with my son Akeem. Say hey Akeem.
Hi.
And we're going to be installing a package of bees. We actually received these bees through Tractor Supply, and they have a distributor named Harvest Lane Honey that provides a very high quality of a honeybee. And I really like their packaging system just simply because of its simplicity, where these packages come with a queen and 3 pounds of worker bees, and the queen is attached to this little metal piece here, so she's easy just to slide out and put into the colony. A couple of things that you're going to need for this: you're going to need a hive tool, which is here. This will help you pry. This will help you pry the package open. We're putting a frame of honey in to give the bees a little extra support because we know they haven't eaten in a couple of days. And then we're also going to put in a drawn out frame. It has some brood on it. We got this from one of our healthier colonies, but this will give the bees a jump start because we just didn't want to put them in a new location that didn't have any resources. So we're trying something a little new this year, hoping that we can jump start and get our bees on a healthy start. So we're gonna keep you all updated with the progression of these colonies after we install this package today. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna transition to Akeem's point of view, and he's gonna be using our GoPro so you all can see firsthand how to install these packages. So stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at these. Let's get these bees open.
Daddy.
All right. You said what?
Daddy.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
Ooh. Look, this is their food.
That
right
is. Oh my God.
We're gonna put these in here. And here's their queen. Look at their queen.
Where?
Right here.
That's the queen?
Right here. Right here.
Right here?
They're all right here.
Oh.
Here she is, look. Look.
That was queen.
Yeah, it's the queen. So now we're gonna take this queen and we're gonna place her inside of here.
Yeah.
Right.
That queen can that queen escape?
No, she cannot escape.
Why we can't let her go?
Say what?
Why can we let her go?
We're gonna let her go after 3 days. It's a good question. So we want the bees to get used to her smell, so then they will love her. And if they don't love her, they won't give her a hug. So we want them, when she gets out, for them to give her a hug, okay? So watch this. You're gonna take this.
And dump it out?
Yeah, and dump the bees into the box.
Do it?
Like this, yeah. You see them? All right, watch this. Look, watch this.
What? Wait, can I see the queen again?
The queen is with her friends. Look down, look down. There you go. There you go, right there. She's with her friends and they're getting ready to hug, try to give her a hug.
I think they're giving her a hug, Daddy.
Look down, look at the box. There you go.
Dad, can I do the rest?
Huh?
Can I do the rest?
You want to do the rest?
Yeah.
Pour 'em in. Almost there. All right, do it. There you go. All right, let me give you a little help. All right. You don't want to make them mad. This is the last time we're going to do it. All right, so then we're going to take this cage or the package and we're going to place it near the entrance so the bees can now orient themselves.
Dad, I see the queen.
Yeah, you see the queen. So the last thing we're going to do before we close the box, we're going to move the frames back over And we're gonna use a little bit of smoke just to get them out of the way so we don't smash any.
So we can see the queen.
So the bees can start accepting
The
and
queen.
loving their queen.